guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a Grove haul. I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite products I have rebought because I love them so much and I want to share some of my cleaning favorites with you. So I don't know if you guys have watched my cleaning videos. If not, I'm just going to jump right into this. This is my favorite all-purpose cleaner. It is the grapefruit, and I always buy a couple of these because I go through them pretty quickly because I'm always wiping things down. But the grapefruit method all-purpose cleaner is my absolute favorite, so picked up 2 of these. This is pretty new in our household for the last couple months, but this is amazing. This is we'll just say that this is the best thing ever. So if you have rust, any type of rust or grossness in your house, we have some rust in our house, this makes it clean right up. It says you can use that kitchen, cookware, bath. I just use it in our bathtub and it is amazing. So I might actually try it on some of our cookware to see if that works, like gets all the like nasty stuff off. But I have to tell you, this is way better than the Works. I usually use the Works for our bathtub because it is amazing. It's the only thing that gets rust stains out. This is way better and it doesn't have all the nasty chemicals and the smells. But loved this one. Love this. And this is super cheap. This is only like $1.29 or something like that. And it like works. It's just like comment and you like put the powder on. It's incredible. The next thing, I have complained so many times about my dishwasher and people say use a rinse aid or use jet dish detergent. I don't know. I bought this and I forgot I had it and then I started using it and it makes all my dishes super clean. I use both of these. I use this dishwasher detergent gel by 7th Generation and it's free and clear, so it doesn't really have a smell, but I love this. And then this 7th Generation rinse aid. This has made everything about opening my dishwasher just 10 times better because I know that everything's clean. And yeah, this is definitely something that is like a must-have in my house now. Every single time I order through Grove, you always get a bunch of free stuff. So right now, I have an affiliate link down below. So they will give you like a free 5-piece set. And if you're a new customer, and if you're not a new customer and you're an old customer, you just make up a new email address, because that's what I've done and got like a ton of free gift sets, because you just spend like $30 and then you get like $50 worth of free products on top of everything that you just purchased. So anyways, I will leave that down below if you want to check it out. If not, like that's totally fine too, but that's what I do. I always just get new email addresses just for Grove. That's just awful, but that's just how I do. This is a room freshener. I want to say that I got this for free because I don't remember ordering it and I don't usually buy those, but usually when you spend like $50 or $60, you get something for free. And then also because I share, I will email and like share my like link and stuff. They gave this to me for free. It's a replaceable head walnut scrubber and it looks really nicely made, so I can't wait to try that out. I've never tried this out before, so I don't know if it works, but anyways, that seems pretty cool. Also, I thought this was a really good deal, so I bought 2 of these. These are the extra strong 7th Generation garbage bags, and you get 30 in them, but they were $5.99, so I thought that was like a super great deal. So I grabbed 2 because we need garbage bags, and I thought that was an amazing deal. And the next thing, I haven't tried this, but I used the window cleaner, and I think I really like 7th Generation items. I have a lot here, and I really like them. This one is essential oils and botanical, and it's an all-purpose cleaner, and I thought that why not just try out different all-purpose cleaners. I will still love my method cleaners, like just, you know, it's not gonna matter, but this one I just really wanted to try just to see how well it worked. And oh, that smells amazing. Yeah, okay, well, I don't know if this works really good. This smell is like way better than the grapefruit smell through Method, so I don't know. And I think they're the same price, so I don't think it, like, you know. The next thing was like a really weird item I purchased. I chose this cutting board. It's a bamboo prop board. I just have a really like nasty plastic one, and I really kind of wanted something a little bit nicer, so I grabbed this, and it came in a set. So this is the cutting board oil that you use to clean it with to like keep it all nice and like shiny. So I just picked up these. I don't know how well it works, or I mean, I'm sure it's just a cutting board, so it's not going to be like, you know, but I really wanted a new one. And then the very last thing is just some hand soap. I like buying it like this. I think it's cheaper. So and it has like a little handle that you like use to pour, which I thought that was awesome. And I love the reusable things. And you guys, we're saving the world if we just buy things like this and just use some glass containers. So yeah, I felt like I'm saving the world just a little bit at a time. So you guys, that's it for the video. If you guys like to grow, if you guys like hauls, do you guys like haul videos that aren't Dollar Tree? I would love to know in the comments below. And if you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And let me know if you guys do shop Grove and what is your favorite cleaning product ever. I would love to know that. But okay, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.